Chutneyfication comes from, you guessed it, chutney, that flavorful condiment made by blending fruits, vegetables. In a cultural sense, chutneyfication describes how different elements from diverse cultures combine to create something hybrid, dynamic, and often unexpected. It's not just about one culture dominating another, it's about mutual influence, adaptation, and creativity. This concept is especially relevant in places shaped by colonialism, migration, and globalization. Think about countries like India, Trinidad, or South Africa, where multiple cultures have collided over centuries, creating rich hybrid forms of art, music, food, language, and more. One of the best examples of chutneyfication is in music. Take chutney music, which originated among Indo-Caribbean communities in places like Trinidad and Guyana. This genre blends Indian folk melodies and instruments with Caribbean rhythms and styles. The result, a musical chutney that celebrates both roots and reinvention. Consider language, for instance. In India, English is a perfect example of chutneyfication. It mixes Hindi grammar and vocabulary with English words and structures, creating phrases like "let's meet kal evening," "kal means tomorrow." In literature, chutneyfication appears when writers blend storytelling traditions from different cultures. Salman Rushdie's novels like Night's Children are with references to Indian mythology, British colonial history, and global pop culture. His prose jumps between languages, dialects, and narrative styles that mirrors the complexity of modern identity. Think about food. Dishes like butter chicken pizza, masala fries, or sushi burritos. They are widely popular because they combine familiar flavors in fresh ways. But then, what is the difference between hybridity and chutneyfication? They both involve the mixing of languages and cultures, but they differ in scope, tone, context. Hybridity refers to the blending of linguistic elements, such as roots, prefixes, suffixes. In contrast, chutneyfication is a playful term coined by Salman Rushdie to describe how English, especially in Indian post-colonial writing, is creatively spiced up with Indian languages, idioms, and cultural references, much like making chutney by mixing ingredients. While hybridity is structural and linguistic, chutneyfication is stylistic and cultural. And this concept challenges outdated ideas about purity, authenticity. Cultures aren't static, they are constantly evolving through contact, exchange. Chutneyfication reminds us that diversity isn't about keeping things separate. It's about celebrating what happens when boundaries blur and people come together.